How to use your profile link correctly.
You have worked on your photo, your name, and your bio. The visitor is convinced, wants to know more, and taps your link, then lands on a page full of company logos, prices, and buy now. What happens? They get scared and leave. You just lost them at the finish line. Your link is the exit door from your profile, and that door should open into a welcoming room, not a cash register. Today, you will learn how to use it well.
What your link can do today.
First, the technical part, because it has changed. Instagram used to allow only one link. Today, you can add up to 5 native links to your profile from Edit Profile Links. And since 2026, you can also place links at the end of your post captions. There are also link in bio tools, like Linktree and similar options, that group several destinations on a single page and give you click statistics. But pay attention, just because you can put 5 links does not mean you should fill everything. Less is more. A visitor with 20 options chooses none.
The key question: where do I send them?
Here is the strategic decision, and in attraction marketing the answer is clear. Your link should lead to value or to a conversation, never to a hard sale. The goal is not for them to buy on the first click. It is for them to take one more step in the relationship.
Your link is not for cold selling. It is for starting a relationship.
Look at the difference between a link that repels and one that attracts. Yes, a free guide or resource that solves a problem for your avatar. No, your company's replicated website, full of logos, catalog, and prices. Yes, a direct WhatsApp or DM link to start a conversation. No, a buy now page or
join my team
as a cold door-to-door pitch. Yes, a simple start here page with 2 to 3 useful options. No, a link tree with 15 links that overwhelms and does not guide.
The best destination options. In order.
For a distributor who attracts, these are the destinations that work best. From most to least recommended, a free resource, guide, checklist, mini video. In exchange for starting contact, it provides value and opens a conversation. Direct access to a conversation, WhatsApp or private message. The private message is where you truly help and close, without pressure. A simple Start Here page with a few well-chosen options. Your guide, your contact, your best content. Your highest value content, a key reel or video, if you still do not have a guide or page.
Align the link with your call to action.
Golden rule: what you promise in your bio or in your content has to be exactly what they find when they tap. If your bio says free guide, the link goes to the guide, not somewhere else. That coherence creates trust. Incoherence, promising one thing and leading to another, destroys it instantly. Promise and destination, always aligned.
Real example.
Ruben's link led to his company's replicated online store, catalog, prices, and a giant logo. The few people who clicked simply left. He changed it to a simple page with a free guide
3 habits to have more energy
that people downloaded by leaving a message. Suddenly, people were not just clicking, they were messaging him asking for the guide, and from there, natural conversations began. Same profile, same traffic. He changed the cash register for a welcoming room, and requests for information started coming in.
Common mistakes.
Not having a link, or having a broken one. You waste the only exit door from your profile, sending people to the company's replicated website. It is cold selling and breaks the attraction. Filling the link in bio with options. Too many doors equals none chosen. Incoherence between what you promise and what appears after the click. It burns trust in one click.
Practical advice.
Define one single objective for your link right now. I want whoever taps here to Download my guide, message me, watch my best content. With that objective clear, choose the simplest destination that achieves it and remove everything else. And review it from time to time. Update it based on your campaign or your current content. With your link leading to value and conversation, your profile now has an exit door that converts. We still have one profile piece left that is as visible as it is underused. Highlights, that belt of circles under your bio. In the next lesson, you will see how to create highlights that sell without selling.